Welcome friends. In this tutorial we will study about constants. There are two types of constant. One, compile time and run time. Compile time constant we must have to initialize at a compile time. Means when we declare variables we must have to give a particular value and we have to use const keyword to declare constants before data type. So when we declare constant we must have to initialize at a compile time. Once we have initialized it, we can't change the value of constant throughout program. Suppose we have given x is equal to 20. That is not possible. It will generate compile time error. Now declare another variable which is a y. By default it is a static. We can use or access it directly without creating objects. We can see we have accessed the y without creating object. Another type of constant is runtime. In runtime constants, we can give value at a runtime. It can be declared using read-only keyword. Benefit of this constant is that we can assign value to constant at a runtime. These constants are not static, so we must have to create object to access this. We can't change the value of this constant once it is assigned. So now let's write a code for access this read only or a runtime constant. In the output we can see we have accessed the constant and assigned the value at a runtime. Thank you.